probably tell, we've been busy at work with my beautiful lady over here. And we haven't filmed it because we kind of just all chucked it all together. I don't have an excuse and I don't really care. Alright guys, it's been a long time since you've seen the KDX. It's currently 1:45 in the morning and she's fucking beautiful. We just finished mocking it up pretty much. Well, it's near done, but I mean, you can see how saggy this bad mama is.
Give us a list of everything that's been done so far, because we've not filmed putting any of this together.
Wheels, look at the swing arm. I don't know if we filmed the carb, powder coating, the Kickstarter, and just attaching a bunch of giblets on the engine, and then new levers.
Pro taper bars, Cerakoted perches, and master cylinder. Cerakoted fork lowers, brand new Kenda tires, ceramic coated exhaust, powder coated the pegs, cleaned up the exhaust. What else did we do? Powder coated this guy, the rear brake, triple clamps. Every bearing has been replaced. We even managed to source the Unitrack bearings, which is insane. Those were hard to find, but those are brand new. The line from the shock to the reservoir was completely clogged. We could not clean it out. So we ordered some new line and we're gonna make up one of the same size. It all looked pretty good inside, apart from that being just, the fluid just never changed. Nice new gold chain on it. Extended kickstand, you guys saw us make that. It's exciting. It's a long time coming. There's still tons of more parts coming, like new front brake line.
But I think tomorrow I'm gonna try and kick it over and see if it.
Yeah, we'll have to get that on video.
Yeah.
You guys saw where she came from. It's crazy to see the difference. I wish camera doesn't do it justice, but
no.
This is just wild. Anyway, that's just a quick little update for you guys. Let's keep working. Yeah, we're gonna work on this stinky pile.
Heap of garbage compared to this beautiful Mama John.
Here's a nice look at William's bike here, the KDX. All looking pretty, all looking very nice. It's done. He's just taking it apart to adjust the rear shock sag.
Oh, you know, I like it saggy, bro.
Haven't done many videos on this. He's just been grinding hard, but she rips pretty good. We have to tune the carb on it. I think next year you're gonna go with Electron. You saw us paint everything. He just put it together behind the scenes.